Still loading jet valves manually? High precision requirements. Manual placement inaccurate for machines need 4 workers. High labor cost and low utilization. 3 pits of valve CNC. First, valve bodies require high precision. Positioning deviation over 0.05 millimeters means scrap. Second, for machines with 1 worker each, processing times differ. Fast machines wait for people, slow machines wait for people. Third, 2-series changeover needs gripper adjustment and program changes, half a day to resume. This line uses 1 robot with a travel axis serving 4 CNC machines, symmetrically arranged, 48 seconds per piece. Robot auto loads. For machines cut simultaneously, utilization above 90%, 2-series auto changeover. 3 cores. First, symmetric machine layout. Robot in center with travel axis. For machines equidistant, single loading under 3 seconds. Second, cycle balance. Same process spread across 4 machines, 48-second cycle divided by 4. Each only needs 12 seconds. Utilization greatly improved. Third, 2-series compatibility. Grippers and programs pre-stored as 2 sets. Changeover scan auto switches, 10 minutes done. Watch the demo. The travel axis carries the robot between 4 symmetric machines, removes a finished valve from machine 1, loads a blank, then machines 2, 3, and 4 in sequence. For machines cutting simultaneously, robot shuttling nonstop. By the numbers. Manual loading. For machines. For people, 65% utilization, 4-hour changeover. Automated. 1 operator, over 90% utilization, 10-minute changeover. 48 seconds per piece, 750 pieces per day, precision within 0.02 millimeters. This solution suits same process multi-machine shared CNC, hydraulic valves, pneumatic components, automotive parts, and other precision metal batch machining all fit. The key is matching machine count to cycle, with symmetric layout plus travel axis coverage. The core of 1 robot 4 machines isn't how far the robot travels. It's symmetric layout minimizing travel distance, plus cycle balance ensuring all 4 machines never idle. What's your CNC line's utilization rate?